Hi there! In this video, we are going to cover how to download Jotform as PDF. If you've ever tried to share a form with someone who doesn't have internet access or wants to fill it out offline, you know how crucial it is to have a downloadable PDF version. This feature allows you to send out forms that people can fill out at their convenience and then submit back to you without needing to be online. It simplifies the process and expands accessibility for everyone involved. Let's dive into the step-by-step process on how to achieve this using Jotform. First things first, open your web browser and log into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your homepage. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created so far. This is where you can manage and organize all your forms. Now find the specific form that you wish to turn into a PDF. Hover your mouse over this form to reveal additional options. You will see an option labeled Edit Form. Click on this to enter the form editor, which is the space where you can make all sorts of modifications to your form. Now that you're inside the form editor, take a look at the top of the screen. You will see several tabs. Click on the one that says Publish. This tab is your gateway to sharing your form in various formats and platforms. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different options for publishing. Scroll down until you find the option labeled PDF. Click on this option, and you'll notice a button that says Download. Press this button, and Jotform will begin the process of generating a PDF version of your form. It's important to note that while most elements of your form will be converted into the PDF, certain interactive fields like signature areas or file upload fields might not be supported. Instead, Jotform might replace these with placeholders. This is something to keep in mind when reviewing your PDF. Once Jotform finishes generating your PDF, you'll see a download button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to download the file to your device. When you open the file, you'll see that this isn't just any PDF, it's a fillable one. You can interact with it by selecting drop-down menus, checking boxes, or typing into text fields directly. Moreover, at the top of your new PDF, you'll notice a message indicating that you can submit the form using Adobe Acrobat Reader. This means when someone fills out the PDF and submits it through Adobe, all the data will securely transfer back to your Jotform account as a new submission. This PDF version of your form can now be easily shared with others. You can send it via email, share it through messaging apps, or even print it if necessary. The recipients will be able to fill it out offline and send it back to you electronically, making the entire process seamless and efficient. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to download Jotform as PDF. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.